Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a draft or a story on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you want to delete a draft or a story that you have published, you can do that if you go to this option, the stories option, and then first you can see your drafts, and if you click on this arrow, then you can see the delete draft, delete, and you can see that my draft is deleted now. And if you want to do this with an article that you have already published, you have to go to the published, and then here click on these three dots and you can see the delete story. After that, click on the delete and then you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.